King got the hammer in the king bang king bang got the hammer king bang king got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be making a mistletoe themed lip gloss for Christmas this year, and I have 8.5 ounces of Ready Gloss base in this plastic bowl. So we're going to start today's video by adding our French vanilla flavoring oil to the gloss base, and we're also going to add some sugar cookie flavoring oil to the gloss base as well. So now we're going to go ahead and give those flavoring oils a nice mix so this lip gloss can be French vanilla sugar cookie scented. Now we're going to add our TKB Pixie Mica Pigment to the gloss base. So to get that nice mistletoe forest green color, we're going to add this TKB Kelly Green concentrate to the gloss base. And here is a close-up at the beautiful gloss in its purest form. I love this forest green color. It's definitely giving me Christmas vibes. And I love the fact that it has like a nice gold shimmer tint to it as well. So that way when you apply it to your lips, you have some sort of pigment as well with the cute shimmer on your lips as well. So that's my favorite thing about this gloss. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start to fill our beautiful tubes. So here is a really transparent moment for me. I wanted you guys to know that nobody is perfect. Even lip gloss pros, in a sense, if that's what you want to call us, make mistakes as well. As you can see, I was filling the tubes too fast, or I didn't apply that tape secure enough, the pipette to the syringe, and I made a mess. So I want you to know that every single time that you make lip gloss is not going to be perfect, and it is okay to make mistakes. So after I cleaned up that mess, I just kept continuing to fill the tubes because lip gloss anyway is always going to be a little bit messy. So yes, I just wanted to share that moment with you guys so that you know that I too make mistakes. Sometimes I mess up, sometimes I make a mess. So that is completely normal when you are making lip gloss. after I'm finally done filling all of the tubes, this is the beautiful outcome. I'm obsessed with this green color. I think it's so perfect for the holiday and the Christmas season. Let me know what you guys think. Also, here is a lip swatch of the gloss on my lips. I couldn't record the video of the glosses with the grass in the background like I normally do because it is currently raining outside, as you can see, so I just showed you a quick video of the glosses in my backyard. So now I'm going to go ahead and secure all of the glosses by adding the tops to them all. I decided to go ahead and go outside and get the video with the grass in the background because it is just drizzling now. It's not raining as hard, and I have the lip glosses sealed with the caps on so no water gets inside. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This is the last lip gloss that'll be a part of our lip gloss collection, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that release date. See you in my next video.
King King got the hammer in the King 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 got the hammer King 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 got the hammer in the ring.